Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to use compound clip feature in CapCut PC. So this compound clip feature in CapCut is very useful if you want to go ahead and separate different videos or clips onto your device, or you could go ahead and want to have them both connected. So for example, we're going to go ahead and add in some videos in here. So you could click onto the import option to add in a video, audio, or photo to browse onto your different files, or you could just simply drag and drop a video in here. Or we could also browse through their library in here. So let's find in a video that we could use. So for example, this specific video in here, we're gonna go ahead and add this. And also let's drag and drop another video also in here that we're gonna use as a background. So we're gonna drag and drop it in here onto the timeline, and then we'll have this one onto the upper part. So let's resize this one, just make it just like that. And for us to be able to go ahead and make use of a compound clip, so for example, you want to go ahead and try to add in a filter for this one. So we're going to go ahead and add in a filter in here. So for example, this black and white feature, we're going to add this onto the upper part of the video. So let's make this bigger. And as you can see, it has affected all of the videos in here. So for example, we don't want to include the background in here. We just want this specific clip to be onto a black and white filter. Then what we'll need to do is we'll create a compound clip so that this two will be joined in here. So this will not include this other background in here. We're going to right click onto that. And there should be an option for you to create a compound clip. So this is a shortcut key for that one as well. And if you click onto that, and if you see, both the filter and the clip is joined onto a compound clip, and it has left the background onto its normal color. So this is the only one that has been affected with the black and white filter. And that is just basically it on how you create a compound clip in CapCut PC. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.